Today I'm going to show you how I made these miniature wall planters. For each wall planter I cut out 4 squares out of a wide coffee stirrer. I cut each square into 3 strips. I used a craft knife for this because I found if you use scissors it tends to crack the wood. If you don't have the wide coffee stirrers, you could also use the thinner ones here and just cut them into strips. I arranged all of the coffee stirrer pieces and then stuck a thick piece of card on the back to hold them in place. I moved the pieces around to make sure they were in the right place and then left it to dry. Once the glue was dry, I turned them over and covered the front with clear glue to make them shiny. Next, I made the pot out of polymer clay. I made 2 wall planters, so I just made 1 pot and then cut it in half. Once I finished making the pots, I baked them in the oven, and then once they had cooled down, I covered them in clear glue so they were shiny as well. Once all the glue was dry, I glued the pots onto the backboards. I didn't film how I made the plants, but basically I just cut the leaf shapes out of green paper and then glued them onto green wires. I then put a little piece of air dry clay in the top of the pot and pressed the wires down into the air dry clay and then left it to dry.